Thank you very much.
What's here, Scott? What is it? What is it?
XPeak mountain bike.
Oh my goodness.
No dings, no
It's
scratches.
Christmas.
One
Box
little
is
ding there.
huge.
And it's a little heavy.
I heard.
I need a hand.
Look at those big tires.
It's a lot bigger than I thought.
Wow. Let's see.
Look at that hard seat.
Ugh. Look at those tires. Put your hand down there so we can see. Yikes!
4-inch. On the video I was watching, they were talking about unboxing.
Yeah.
And they said that they're using these strings to tie
Oh.
everything together
Recyclable.
instead of plastic wire
Yeah.
ties.
Yeah. It smells like a rubber tire in here.
And I'm trying to find the charger.
So he can start charging it right away while he puts the rest together. Yes, it is a beast.
It's a beast. It's a beast.
Yeah.
I can't wait to ride.
Look at how huge these tires are.
I guess I have to watch the video.
Now, what's the name of this bike?
XPeak.
XPeak, because it's a mountain bike.
Yes. I can't get the battery out. This is the key
Just
for the ignition and the battery.
getting a look at the color and everything.
Gray stripe
Okay, go ahead.
and black, gray, light gray. Looks really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty. As I
There's
should-
supposed to be a button here to release the battery, but I can't find it.
This thing is huge. Even looks bigger since it's inside. Oh, here, maybe I should get a picture of it.
Oh, that's the charging port. Oh, there's the button.
Let me see. Where is it? The other side?
So unlock on the other side.
Let me go on the other side.
Unlock.
Oh, unlock with the key. Gotcha.
And then, nope,
and then
underneath.
stay there. Oh,
Underneath here, there's a button. You press it in.
okay. Where your
comes
thumb
out,
was?
And it comes out.
Okay.
And then there's buttons and things in here. And you can hand me the charger, please.
Yep. Renegade. Let's see. Ooh wee.
Shocks.
Feeling good. Ooh.
Supposed to be
You don't know how it comes out? What are you working on? Oh.
the front wheel. It's a through bolt for the front wheel, but I don't know how to get it out. Oh, there.
Maybe she read the instructions.
They made it look easy.
Of course it did.
You have to twist this nut piece
Okay. Just keep
until it comes out. Then this comes out like that.
Got it.
And then you set the bike down, hold it, and then, oh, that's not ready. The
Wait.
slider is used to prevent shipping during, there's a plastic.
Remove the slider from the what?
From the
Okay.
brake pads,
Okay.
which are here. But I don't see, it's too dark in here, I can't. We're gonna install the front tire.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you lift this front part up.
Mhm.
I'm gonna take the front tire, disc brake on this side.
I'm just looking. I don't know what that is.
You just, like that, and then I put this. And line it up.
Sorry, the camera's not focused
Hold it
right.
right there.
I've got it right here.
No, it's moving.
It's gonna move a little. Oh, it got caught. It's caught on right here.
No, that's the
Let's
disc
hope-
brake. Okay, stop pulling.
I'm not pulling.
Down. Right there.
There, it's not quite aligned.
Yes, I see that.
Let's go.
This way.
There we go.
And then
Take the
twist.
other side.
Hmm?
Take this side.
No, it doesn't. It's straight through. Twist the nut. Take the pressure off. It's okay.
Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can I let it down or not yet?
Oh, that's how you use this little wing nut thing. There's a notch in the nut. You turn this, push the wing back into the nut. You turn the nut with that, and then you bring it back there.
Do you want me to lift it? I'm not holding.
No, it's in.
Okay.
I'm just saying it for the video.
Okay.
And it's on. Okay, on to the next unboxing piece.
Do it this way.
Everything's been looking good so far.
Satisfaction, you know, the film.
And the screen. That looks all good. Cool.
Here, scissors.
I'm on time.
Oh.
The headlight. Even though it has a headlight, but I'm going to use my Lume Cube 2.0
Okay.
USB charging and mount it to the handlebars. That's the headlight. And we have to adjust this.
Oops. Oh, sorry about that. Bonked.
But I don't see how to. Oh, maybe that's where it sits. Like that. Connect the light. Make sure the arrows. There's a little arrow here.
Wait, do the point again.
There's a little arrow on the top.
Yeah.
It's the top square pin. There's a square pin here with an arrow. Those two go together. Just be careful they line up.
Okay, I'm gonna pan back a little bit. Check this out.
Snapped in. This is the basic seat that they give you, but I have an upgrade for the seat because I like my seat softer.
Right.
And this one's
Pretty.
kind of soft, but it's not quite as.
Especially for mountain biking, all the bouncing around.
Oh, you have the pedals.
They're right there on the table.
It's a string.
Scissors? It's tape.
Okay, pedals. And you said make sure that you put them on correctly. There's a right
Oh, right and a left.
and there's a left. But these here are not made for wearing bare feet.
Yeah.
they have studs.
Yeah, well,
This here has a little pull button.
I'm gonna do that anyway. Wait.
Has a little pull button. Pull and
Pull a little more. There you go.
snap in. Make sure they're in. Same on this. You can see this side a little bit better. Push in, clipped in.
And you just pop them off like that too when you need to
Yes.
store it, because they do not fold up like the other models.
Correct.
Okay.
Is that a small screwdriver? I see. It's supposed to be sitting like that, but I like.
No,
to
I'm
use
sure it's
tips.
adjustable. It's gotta be. You can't see like that.
Yeah, I can't see. I don't know how much battery we have. Oh, it's blinking green, so maybe it's done? That would be amazing. I can't see.
There's the headlight. There it is.
Not the right one. They didn't give us a small one.
Wow. This is big.
Oops. Just take one. Okay, well, I can't,
Is that it?
basically, besides the battery, we need the small, I need the small Allen wrench for those.
So what are you adjusting?
I'm trying to move,
Oh, the display.
oh, there we go, the display, so it's tipped back more this
So
way.
it was just an Allen wrench thing
Yes.
right underneath?
They didn't give us a small one.
Okay. But it's right in there. Okay, I see it. Wait, let me
And
get
tighten up,
It's right in there.
tighten up both of those. And then we're going to,
Move your light a little bit.
no, that's where it's gonna be, I mean, we're gonna use wire ties and move this back out of the way.
I get to take off this one.
Oh, maybe that's why yours,
Ooh. There's something about taking those off. They're very satisfying. Just like with electronics.
oh, this one. I'll tighten this up.
What is
Oops.
that?
Oh, it's another, it's the power, but the Allen wrench doesn't fit.
The one they gave you or the,
No.
even your little one?
I have that one. That's from your box.
So if I didn't catch this in the video already, the key is up here. There you go, another view. There's the giant kickstand. Let's get it from tail to tip. Top view. There we go, around here. And light. And those beautiful tires. What?
You have to turn the wheel a little bit so you can get this in at the right angle in here.
Oh yeah, I
And
see.
snap
A
it.
little tight up there.
Tap it in. This one here, you can, when you turn it on, oh, that's, oh,
Wasn't in all the way?
no, it's in all the way. You don't have to leave the key in
Okay,
to power it on,
right.
and it's power on. And it says it's full battery
Ooh.
and power off.
Let's go, babe.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's
Go!
go.
On my little baby e-bike and you're...
Get your helmet.
All right.
That's
What are you
nice.
doing? Oh, just adjusting the seat.
Yeah.
Okay, is this it? Turn around, smile. Okay, here goes. First ride. No helmet.
I'm turning it on to find out what we're doing first.
Woo! There he goes, off into the wild blue yonder. On a side note, check out those clouds. I mean, it is gorgeous. Oh, sorry, are we talking about an e-bike? Woo! Vroom! He's a happy boy. Christmas is a little late. So we're trying to beat the rain, which is coming anytime. Woo! First mountain biking experience.